In wake of Pahalgam terror attack, Government of India suspends visa services to Pakistan nationals with immediate effect. JAC spearheading campaign for justice in Sana Jauba's custodial death announces 24-hour statewide burnt against government's inaction. And security forces arrest 3 members of 3 different proscribed rebel groups in separate incidents. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. In continuation of the decision made by the Cabinet Committee on Security in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack, the Government of India has decided to suspend visa services to Pakistani nationals with immediate effect. All existing valid visas issued by India to Pakistani nationals stand revoked with effect from 27 April 2025. Medical visas issued to Pakistani nationals will be valid only till 29 April 2025. All Pakistani nationals currently in India must leave India before the expiry of visas as now amended. Indian nationals are strongly advised to avoid travelling to Pakistan. Those Indian nationals currently in Pakistan are also advised to return to India at the earliest. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is known for his firm preference for Hindi, even when it comes to world's forum like the G20, addressing the United Nations. But today, during a rally in Bihar's Madhubani, the Prime Minister made an extremely rare switch to English while addressing the rally.
कल पहलगाम में धर्म को निशाना बनाते हुए आतंकवादियों द्वारा किए गए कायरतापूर्ण हमले में हमारे देश ने अनेक निर्दोष नागरिकों को खोया है। इस घोर अमानवीय कृत्य से हम सभी गहरे शोक और दर्द में हैं। सबसे पहले मैं उन सभी परिवारों के प्रति अपनी गहरी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं जिन्होंने अपने प्रियजनों को खोया है। इस दुखद समय में दिवंगत आत्माओं की शांति के लिए मैं परमात्मा से प्रार्थना करता हूं। यहां मैं भारत के दृढ़ संकल्प को दोहराना चाहूंगा कि टेररिज्म के खिलाफ हमारी जीरो टॉलरेंस की पॉलिसी है। भारत का एक एक नागरिक इस कायरतापूर्ण हरकत के खिलाफ एकजुट है। मैं इस मंच से देशवासियों को आश्वस्त करता हूं, घटना के मद्देनजर भारत सरकार वो हर कदम उठाएगी जो जरूरी और उपयुक्त होगा। और हम सिर्फ उन लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचेंगे जिन्होंने इस घटना को अंजाम दिया है, हम उन तक भी पहुंचेंगे जिन्होंने पर्दे के पीछे बैठकर हिंदुस्तान की सरजमी पर ऐसी नापाक हरकतों की साजिशें रची हैं। भारत एक इतनी पुरानी सभ्यता और इतना बड़ा देश है जिसको ऐसे किसी भी आतंकी गतिविधियों से किसी भी सूरत में डराया नहीं जा सकता। ऐसी हरकतों का जिम्मेदार और इसके जिम्मेदार लोगों को आने वाले कुछ ही समय में जोरदार तरीके से नजर आएगा। मैं देशवासियों को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं।
Issued a stern warning stating that no one supporting Pakistan, whether powerful or not, will be spared in the state. In a powerful message shared on social media, Sarma said, "Listen carefully with open ears. If anyone living on Assam soil engages in Pakistan's brokerage, we won't spare them." He further expressed his wish for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take strong action against Pakistani symbolizers with Made in India, saying, I quote here, "I have observed on social media that some people here are supporting Pakistan. Let me make this very clear. I will spare no one who supports Pakistan from Assam soiled. Whoever it is, however powerful they may be, we will not spare those moles." The Chief Minister's remark come in response to growing concerns about pro-Pakistan sentiments among certain individuals, with Sharma reiterating the state's firm stance against any such support. Meanwhile, Assam police have arrested Aminul Islam, the AIUDF MLA from Dhing, following his controversial communal comments linking the recent Pahalgam terror attack and the 2018 Pulwama attack to the BJP leadership. Amid mounting public outrage, the Joint Action Committee JAC, spearheading the campaign for justice in the custodial death of Koishnam Sana Jauba, has announced a 24-hour statewide bund set to begin from midnight of April 24th till midnight of April 25. Sana Jauba, who was reportedly picked up by police on December 31st, 2024, was later found dead at Jennings Hospital. He leaves behind a wife and a 3-year-old child. The shutdown comes in response to what the JAC described as the government's failure to initiate meaningful action in the case, stating that Sana Jauba was among the village volunteers who played a vital role in the ongoing crisis. The JAC called upon civil society organizations, local clubs, Merapaibi groups and the people of Manipur to extend their support to the bund. The committee clarified that the central services will be exempted from the shutdown. The announcement follows a series of demonstrations led by the JAC and the local Merapaibi, including a sit-in protest on April 17th and a large gathering at Lamlong Keitel on April 20. Calling for justice and compensation for the bereaved family, the JAC reiterated that the bund is a collective expression of the people's demand for truth, accountability and action. Security forces arrested 3 cadres of 3 different proscribed rebel groups in separate operations. Security forces arrested 1 active member of the outfit, KCP Nongdren Khomba, namely Lausambam Sundar Singh, alias Bung Bung, aged 34 years, from Nongpok Senjenbam Kulent, near Market Shed under Lamlai Police Station, Imphal East District. He was involved in extortion activities. In a separate incident, security forces arrested 1 active member of the outfit Pripag, namely Loitongbam Nauba Singh, aged 27 years, from Sawongbung Paurebi area under Lamlai Police Station, Imphal East District. He was also involved in extortion activities. In another incident, security forces arrested 1 member of KYKL, namely Sairem Ibungo, aged 45 years, from KB Haikak Mapal under Sagolmang Police Station, Imphal East District. Security forces recovered 1 4-wheeler, 2 mobile phones, 1 wallet containing 2,600 rupees from his possession. During a search operation, security forces recovered huge catch of arms and ammunition at Paurabi village and the Lamlai Police Station, Imphal East District yesterday. The recovered arms and ammunition are 1 SMG carbine along with 1 magazine, 1 SMG carbine along with 1 magazine, 1 SMG carbine along with 1 magazine, 1 9mm pistol with 1 magazine, 49 7.62 SLR rifle live ammunition, 36.303 live ammunition, 16 7.62 AK rifle live ammunition, 15 9mm live ammunition, 2 7.62 live blank cartridges, 2.303 ammunition charge clip, 3 radio wireless sets along with 1 charger, 4 number 36 hand grenade with 6 arming rings, 1 number 36 hand grenade without lever, a tube launching, 2 detonators, 351 mortar shells, 10 tear smoke shells, 8 stun shell normal, 10 scrapes, 1 BP jacket, 1 raincoat, 2 MK-13T explosives, and 2 tear smoke shell soft nose. Merapaibis of Tendongyan, Santipur, Maharabi and Potsangbam seized at least 300 bags of talab, estimated at nearly 4.5 lakh rupees from a truck at Maharabi, Lamkhai, under Sekmai police station in Imphal district yesterday. The truck bearing registration number NL01A E4498 was coming from Dimapur side when it was intercepted by the Merapaibis at Maharabi, Lamkhai area around 9:30 a.m. The seized talab has been handed over to Sekmai police station. According to reports, the held hazardous products will be handed over to the Food Safety Department so that it can be destroyed in presence of the officials. Speaking in connection with the incident, NG Tombi, the Merapaibi secretary from Tendongyan, said the Merapaibis had almost set the seized talab on fire. However, a team of Sekmai police arrived on time and confiscated the seized items. Nevertheless, the police agreed to have the items destroyed in presence of the Merapaibis after its handling over to the Food Safety Department. A mass anti-rabies vaccination drive was held at Peaceful Club, Kurai Ningthobung, Leikai, Puribi, Puraba Community Hall today. The drive was jointly organized by the Social United Clubs Organization Suko Imphal East District, United Clubs Organization Uduko, and District Veterinary Office Imphal East under the supervision of the Old Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko. Around 100 dogs were vaccinated in the area under Social United Clubs Organization Suko during the drive. Another anti-rabies vaccination drive was held at Samuro Kaitel today. The drive was organized by Energetic Youth Development Organization IDO Samuro Kaitel under the aegis of the Old Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko and the Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Government of Manipur. Around 150 dogs were vaccinated during the drive. Now the headlines once again. In wake of Pahalgam terror attack, Government of India suspends visa services to Pakistan nationals with immediate effect. JAC spearheading campaign for justice in Sana Jauba's custodial death announces 24-hour statewide band against government's inaction. And security forces arrest 3 members of 3 different proscribed rebel groups in separate incidents. That is all the news we have at the moment. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Have a good evening.